What's up guys, I'm back with the latest Samsung news. For the first time, Samsung is bringing its groundbreaking upgrades on a non-Galaxy series phone. Yes, we're talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Samsung's most special product of 2021. Thanks for watching Digital Outside here on YouTube, and please remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then tap the bell icon, to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Anyway, let's get started. We've got tons of leaks regarding the Z Fold 3, left and right from multiple sources, including some specs info regarding the display and camera, and one of the most long-awaited feature, which is under-panel camera, is finally happening. So, according with Ice Universe, along with bunch of other leaksters have said that, Samsung has indeed nailed the under-display camera, not just on the inner screen, but also for the outer display. So, we are actually getting two under-panel cameras, which is pretty insane, and since it's Samsung we are talking about, we can expect these under-panel cameras to perform like a traditional camera sensor, with no effect on image quality. As for the actual resolution, the under-panel camera for the inner display could have a 16-megapixel resolution, while the outer display rocks a 12-megapixel sensor. As for the back cameras, it seems like Samsung will be bringing the camera setup from the S21 Plus to the Z Fold 3. Such as, the second most groundbreaking thing about the Z Fold 3, besides the under-panel camera, will be the S Pen. So, the S Pen is 100% confirmed, as said by Ice Universe. We now have more info on this S Pen. It will have Bluetooth functionality, and less than 9 millisecond delay. So, this S Pen sounds pretty similar to the S Pen we see with the Galaxy Note series. Anyway, according to ET News, and the CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants Ross Young, Samsung has developed a new tech that will make the Galaxy Z Fold 3 both slimmer and lighter than its predecessor. Also, it will improve its battery life, while providing a brighter display at the same time. By the way, you see in current phones, whether it's foldable or a regular smartphone, there's a layer of a polarizer on top. This polarizer helps reduce the reflections on the display, but the drawback is, it increases the thickness of the display by 50 to 100 micrometers, and at the same time, it reduces the brightness as well. So, by removing it, not only the display thickness can be reduced by 20% in the foldable smartphones, but the brightness of the display can be improved by a massive 20 to 30% as well. By the way, this goes in line with what Samsung has said back in December, that the future Galaxy smartphones will sport a thinner and lighter design. So, a thinner device is definitely something I am looking forward to, plus better battery life and a brighter display makes it even more appealing. And Samsung will launch the Z Fold 3 in July. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.